Now let's look at the email body. This is where you are going to write your email. So you need to remember to keep it to the point. Don't ramble, just give them the information that they need. Don't use texting abbreviations, for example, BTW. Don't use emojis. Don't use lots of punctuation marks, like the example, help, with lots and lots of punctuation marks. And don't use all caps. All caps means that you're shouting at someone. So let's look at some examples. First example is, Dear Mr. Jones, OMG, I need help now. Can you help me? So I want you to think about, what do you think is wrong with this email? Okay? So what's wrong with it? Well, first off, it has all caps in it. It also has lots of exclamation points, like here and here. And it has an emoji. Okay? So how can we fix this email? I want you to think about, what is it that you would do to make this email better? Your email might look something like this. Dear Mr. Jones, could you please help me with my problem? Thank you. So let's look at another email. Dear Mr. Jones, my grandma, who you met at parent-teacher conferences, is taking me on vacation to Florida. Have you ever been to Florida? I like it because it's warm all the time. I'm going to be gone a week, which I know is a long time. Can I have the assignment for that week? So what do you think's wrong with this email? I want you to think about it for a minute. So one of the things that's wrong with this email is it's too long, and it has information the teacher doesn't need. The teacher doesn't need to know that your grandma met them at the parent-teacher conferences, and the teacher doesn't even need to care that it's warm in Florida all the time. All right? So how do we fix it? I want you to think about this email, and how would you fix it? You might fix it with something that looks like this. Dear Mr. Jones, I will be gone for vacation next week. Could I please have the assignments before I go? That was short, simple, and to the point. So now you guys are going to practice fixing some emails.